Hey guys, this is Coach Foster. So like I told you, this is part 2 of our November 9th through November 13th, that week lesson, okay? So I've already showed you guys a game called Body Parts, a game called Dice Roll, and we're going to go right into the third game, which is called The Boss, okay? All right, so we're going to start off with a coach or an adult, whoever you're with. The adult that does this with you will be saying, so if Coach Arnold's available, he'll be doing this with you, but if he's not, then the adult you have with you at home, have them play this with you, or I should say, ask them to play. You could even ask your brother or sister, anybody at home. What they're going to do is they're going to tell you what they want you to do, and it could be any exercise. It could be a stationary exercise. So if they say sit-ups, you got to drop down and start doing sit-ups. Okay, and keep doing sit-ups till they stop. If they say run, then you got to jump up and start running around the room. Okay. If they say push-ups, you got to jump down and start doing push-ups. They say get on your knees, you got to get on your knees. If they say skip, you got to start skipping. Okay. If they say toe touches, you got to start touching your toes. Come back up, and just whatever they do. Okay. Now that's called the boss. Now when it gets cool is if the adult you're playing with, or if Coach Arnold wants to let, what I want them to do is let you have a turn, okay? So if you call it out, and we're doing this as a class, so if Coach Arnold's doing this with you, and he says, okay, I'm just going to make up a name, Sally, you get to be the boss, then he will let you turn on your microphone, and whatever you say, the other kids in the class have to do. And then maybe he says, okay, Johnny, now it's your turn. So Johnny turns on his mic, and then Johnny gets to be the boss. And if Johnny says toe touches, you got to do toe touches, okay? And then if it's Mary's turn, Mary says, oh, you got to do push-ups. Everybody does push-ups, okay? So whatever the boss says, that's what you do, okay? And if you're at home, then you can play it with your brother and sister or whoever you're at home with, and you can take turns being the boss, okay? So that's the boss. Now we're going to play a game called Walk Stop, okay? Now, for Walk Stop, when the teacher or the adult that you're with, or once again, you could play this with anybody at home with you. When they say walk, you're going to walk. When they say stop, you're going to stop. They say walk, you start walking again. Then they say stop, okay? So then, what they're going to do is they're going to switch it, and they're going to switch the commands. And they're going to say, okay, look, what you got to do now. So if Coach Arnold's doing with you, he's going to say, look, whenever I say walk, you guys have to stop. And whenever I say stop, you guys have to walk. So you have to do the opposite. So if Coach says stop, I'm going to start walking. If Coach says walk, I have to stop. So it's a little tricky. You got to think about it. Okay. So you're doing the opposite. Okay. And then later on, there's another version you can play. It's called name clap, okay? So if he says name, I'm going to say coach, okay? And I'm walking as well, okay? And if he says clap, okay? But then, if he says, oh, we're going to switch it, now you got to do the opposite. So if he says clap, I say coach. And if he says name, I clap, okay? So that's tricky, but I think you guys can do it. And then, there's one more called dance jump. So if he says dance, I'm going to start dancing. If he says jump, I'm going to jump. But then if he switches it, he says do the opposite, okay? So he says jump. He says dance, okay? So you're doing the opposite. So that's called walk stop, okay? And all these are on the PowerPoint for whoever adult is helping you with this. If they just go back on my PowerPoint, and I'll put it up in just a minute, then you can see all of this, all right? All right. And now, the last one is the only one you're going to need equipment for. And you can go get the equipment later whenever the Coach Arnold or whenever the adult you're with has you play this game, okay? You're going to be using a paper plate and a sock ball, which is just a rolled up pair of socks, okay? And of course, if you don't have a paper plate, just find some other container. And a sock ball, you know, if you want to use a regular ball, but I think everybody has a pair of socks, okay? So anything that you can put on your foot like this is how you play, okay? So this is called the sock flick. So I'm going to flick it up in the air and try to catch it. No, I missed. I'll try again. I'm going to put it on my foot. So you want to try to flick it straight up. I'm going to flick it and catch it. It bounced off the plate. Oh, let me try one more time. Flick, and oh, look at that. I caught it, okay? So that's what you're going for. And every time you catch it, you get a point, all right? Now that's the sock flick. So this is part 2. Like I said, I already showed you the other games, but I'm going to put the games up where you can see them, and this is for you. It's also for the adult that you're with, so they can see the games. So if you want to look at these games, Coach Arnold, or if Coach Arnold's not available and you're watching this just as a video that I posted, then the grown-up you're with, or play with your brother and sister, play with anybody you're with at home. These are all the games, okay? So this is body parts, dice roll, the boss, walk stop, and the sock flick, okay? And then, of course, we always ask our higher order thinking question, what was the secret to being successful? So any of these games that you played, what did you do to be successful? Okay, so talk to a grown-up about that, and I'll see you guys next time for PE at home.